Hello, estate owners. I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. And for today's touring, of course, is magkakaroon na naman tayo ng condo tour. So, this condo tour is here again at Venice Residences, located here at McKinley Hill, Taguig. So, this one-bedroom unit has no balcony, and the size of this unit is 64 square meters. And sobrang ganda ng layout niya and facing amenities. And excited na ako ipakita sa inyo itong buong unit na. So, let's go. As we enter to your unit, so on my right side is the general main switch. So, andito na lahat yung sa lights, sa range hood, and everything. And nagustuhan ko dito sa unit na to is meron siyang hallway. So, of course, pwede nyong ilagay dito yung inyong shoe rack pan entering. And of course, dito pwede pa kayong maglagay ng paintings, guys. So, napaka-easy niyang i-interior if ever na gusto nyo fully interior tong unit nyo. And, of course, what I like about this unit also is the kitchen. So, dito sa kitchen nyo, granite countertop, of course, stainless steel sink, under counter and overhead cabinets. And of course, may kasama na rin tayong range hood. So, on our other project, wala pang kasamang range hood. But this unit, meron na siyang range hood na kasama. And of course, your 2-burner cooktop. And nagustuhan ko rin dito, guys. Sobrang daming cabinets. Look at your kitchen. So gorgeous. And tingnan nyo dito sa kabilang side. Meron na rin tayong granite dito, which is pwede nyo rin patungan ng like condiments, or kung mahilig kayo sa wine, pwede nyo lagay dito yung mga wine nyo. Or ito, ang dami pa rin, sobrang daming cabinets, guys. Yan. And of course, dito of course, it's ating washing machine. So, meron na tayong provision, which is, yun naman yung kagandahan kay Mega World. Laging may provision tayo for your washing machine and your refrigerator. And on this part, of course, is your spacious living area. And bago ko malimutan, of course, kung bago kayo sa aking vlog, so ito ang ating video intercom. So if you have concerns with the lobby, so makikita nyo dito yung visitors and ang inyong mga parcel. Lalo na sa mahilig mag-online shopping dyan. And of course, here is your dining area. So for your dining area, kung pansin nyo, medyo malaki pa yung space natin. So, the dining area, pwede pa hanggang 6 to 8 seaters kasi sobrang laki talaga ng inyong living area. And of course, your sofa. Yan. So, sobrang nakaka-relax dito kung dito kayo titira kasi sobrang hangin. And take note na dito kayo malapit sa amenities, guys. So, para kayo nasa resort. And sobrang liwanag din, guys, dito sa unit nyo. Kasi this unit is a corner unit. So, very rare lang yung mga corner unit natin. And of course, on this side is yung patungan na ating television. So, yan. So, yan. Meron pa rin ditong mga storage kung may gusto pa kayong ilagay. And kung gusto nyo ring lagyan pa ng another table dito, pwede pa, guys. And kung nagtataka kayo dito sa part na to, so this is your auxiliary room, provision for the compressor of your aircon. Ito, meron nang nilagay na provision tayo para sa inyong compressor ng inyong aircon. So, di ba, sobrang cool at sobrang ganda nito. And of course, dito naman yung provision din ng ating split type aircon. So, if you're wondering kung pwede yung split type aircon, so pwede siya, guys. Kung mapapansin nyo rin yung ating window, you can open this slightly lang, so for your safety. Lalo na kung meron kayong mga kids sa bahay. And kung mapapansin nyo rin, itong ating living area is mataas yung ating ceiling height. So estimated is 2.7 meters for the ceiling height. And ito naman yung ating bedroom area. So dito naman sa bedroom area, sobrang dami rin nating window. So, and look at your view. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. So, ito yung ating swimming pool. And makikita nyo rin dito yung ating basketball court. So, halos ng buong amenities, kita nyo siya dito. So, medyo matatakpan lang yung tennis court dito. So, kita nyo rin dito yung playground. So, sobrang ganda talaga ng unit na to. And, of course, andito naman yung provision ng ating aircon. So, window naman yung ating aircon dito sa anyong bedroom. And of course, dito is kasya pa ang queen size bed para sa inyong bed. And ang nagustuhan ko rin dito is meron na siyang kasamang cabinet, which is sobrang laki din. So, ang dami nyo rin mailalagay dito, guys. So, lalo na kung marami kayong gamit. So, sobrang laki din ng unit na to for 1 bedroom. For me, pwede pa siyang ma-convert actually into 2 bedroom. Of course, hindi mawawala yung ating toilet and bath. So, we have complete sanitary fittings sa inyong toilet and bath. So, we have sink, your mirror, and of course, your toilet. And meron tayong half glass na partition dito sa inyong shower. So, kung gusto nyo naman na full yung ating enclosure sa inyong shower, so just let me know. So, I could recommend na mag-aayos nitong inyong toilet and bath. Space pa, pwede nyo pa siyang maging working area. So, again, this unit is located here at McKinley Hill, Taguig. So, malapit lang siya sa BGC, airport, and very accessible kahit sa ang mall SM Aura. We offer rent-to-own terms here at McKinley Hill, Taguig. That's it, and again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more condo tour. Thank you for watching. Bye!